Here's how to archive Instagram stories before they are deleted. First, open the Instagram app on your device. In the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Then, tap on the hamburger menu icon at the top right corner. Scroll down till you reach the Your App and Media section. Here, tap on Archiving and Downloading. Turn on the Save Story to Archive option. Now, go back to your home page and tap on the plus icon in the top left corner to create a story. Select the photo or video you want to share. Then tap on the next button in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Share to post your story. Once the story is uploaded, open your story. Here, tap on the More option in the bottom right corner and select Archive from the menu. Your story will now be moved to the archive folder before it gets deleted. And that's it.